I highly recommend. Like Trauma Medic, this one is one of my favorite pre-created voices.
To be given the gift of life is extraordinary, and the best thing we can do is live it as fabulously as possible.
Honestly, I was just reading doctor quotes and I just threw an accent. I don't know, I just made up my own character realistically while reading a doctor quote. But the point being is the Trauma Medic is one of the best ones here and I personally love it. I highly recommend using this one if you're trying to style on some people. Now, what if you're a person that doesn't really care too much about voices? You like the clean audio, but maybe you don't like custom voices, or maybe you don't really use them all that much, and even the pre-created voices you don't use too much.